ain't but I play with the boss man. It's such a blessing, girl. Put up for the rest of my life. A blessing, girl. A blessing, blessing. You're such a blessing, girl. Put up for the rest of my life.
Hi guys, good day. Welcome to West Falls. So I'm gonna give you a tour when we go inside. My viewers and subscribers, remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and come over here. So. Thank you. What is that? All aboard. Jade, I'm taking your butt. Look.
On in glasses and in the lose it. One more.
So we're at by the West Chill Grill. Kuya. People he's taking, so don't ask, don't comment. He's taking.
I've her.
You see him have him ring around him. See it up on him finger. He's taking. Nobody don't make no comments. Don't ask me anything. So this is the Chilling Grill. What are you guys getting? Salads, french fries, fish, burger, hot dog, etc. Yada yada yada. So food is available, guys. You don't have to walk with your food. Food is available. Go on, Leah, and don't go far.
Come on, you're free. Come.
Come, Kaylon, come.
Yeah, come on.
Alright guys, so basically you see the view. This is the deepest and largest pool here at the Wise Falls. So this one says no diving. And you have the rest areas behind me. You have the lifeguard areas also behind me. And the amazing pool, which is 5 feet deep. So you know, my eye that. So we can go in and eat and the water reach up to me, probably my ear. So I'm gonna go in and give you guys the 5 feet view. So people, jump off. I'm afraid if I go jump off. It didn't jump off. Yeah. So we're gonna get food now. The sign behind me. What and what is not allowed from what is allowed. And of course this pool here, 4 feet 6 inches at the top and 5 feet down by the bottom. It's a cool place, it's a nice place just for chill, for chillaxing, relaxing, and whole a family moment. Yes. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and everybody come over here. So.